Uzma also.
Great. Lock it in.
Yes, girls. Till which problem you have done?
Till
Ma'am,
11th.
I'm audible.
Till 11th we have done.
Girls, I'm
Ma'am,
audible.
yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the 11th problem, 28 and the
Yes,
31
girls.
transaction little bit
My voice is
confusing, ma'am.
audible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, audible.
My voice is audible or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Your
ma'am.
voice is
Your
audible,
voice is
ma'am.
audible.
Are you there, girls?
Yes,
Ma'am, can
ma'am.
you hear
Yes,
us?
ma'am.
I think we are not audible.
Maria.
Yes.
Yes. Yesterday, where were you?
Ajiva, this is not the right time to ask anything as she has admitted.
Thank you, Mariam.
Yes, girls. My am audible. My voice is coming.
No, ma'am, it's very low.
It's very low.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
అదే పిల్లలు మెసేజ్ చేస్తారు నా వాయిస్ ఆడబుల్ అంట కానీ నాకు వాళ్ళ వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తలేదు ఇది ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ ప్రాబ్లం అదే అంటున్నాను నాకు వాళ్ళు అసలు ఏం వినిపిస్తలేదు ఇంకా ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ లేవా వేరే ఇది నిన్న ఒకటి వస్తుంది ఒకటి రావట్లేదు నిన్న నాకు కూడా అట్లనే బాగుంది కానీ Okay, girls, now I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. So which problem you have done till now?
We are 11, ma'am. We are doing 13th now.
Okay, ma. 13th one journal entries you do. Within 2 minutes, I'll start the class.
Done, ma'am.
It's confusion there. We are not getting.
Then one more also you do. Right now I'm showing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Mariam, please check in the chat box. That second entry.
No, I think Satyanarayan will be credited. And in second question, I'm getting confused. Let's wait for the ma'am what she'll say. We are right or wrong. I think the entry will be purchase account data 10,000 to cash account 10,000. Then second will be cash account data 15,000 and to Satyanarayan 15,000. I think.
Why cash account data 10,000?
This is the compound entry.
Taking on credit.
No, it's not the compound entry. Dear.
Cash is going now. When we are
I know.
purchasing from Satyanarayan, the cash is going now. So why we will debit the cash?
There is someone, Zahra Ahmed, DCH, BCom Computers in meeting room. Mariam, check.
I wrote the compound entry.
Who is this?
Yes, I think Jasmine is right.
Where it is? Sarah, no one is there, no?
Waiting room.
as I have transferred the position to ma'am, no, just you admit, we'll see who is she.
Okay then.
So you admit all as
I
I
have
have made the.
admitted.
Okay, you both allow everybody to join. Once they'll join, no, we'll ask what is
मरियम,
G.
अपन सत्यनारायण से क्रेडिट पे ले रहे ना गुड्स.
अभी ये एंट्री को छोड़ दो, उसके बाद वाले जो डिपॉजिटेड इन बैंक है वहां से करो, क्योंकि वहां से अपने को आते हैं एंट्रीज, वहां से करो आप लोग. ये एंट्री को छोड़ ही दो, मैम आके बोलते.
ठीक है.
Girls, in a second I got the on third transaction I got the entry as purchase account data 10,000 to cash account 10,000, and next will be cash account data 15,000 to Satyanarayan 15,000, because in 18th transaction you can see cash paid to Satyanarayan 14,500. If we are paying 15,000, then we are allowing discount as 500. So that 18th entry will be Satyanarayan account data 14,500, discount allowed 500 to cash account 15,000. This will be the entry. Once we'll go through the ma'am what she'll say.
Yes.
Fifth, seventh one
We
you
are
have
receiving
done.
discount there.
We won't discuss this. Just for the conversation, I have made 2 entries. We can't write compound to what my thinking is saying. We can't write compound because in first it is crediting, in second it is debiting. What ma'am will say we'll discuss, because this entry is not at all there in examples also.
Done, ma'am.
Mariam, Sarah,
हाँ दीबा.
Yes.
in 11th problem, 10th entry, just repeat it once na.
Sold goods to Suresh.
हाँ
Suresh account
Suresh.
attached to sales account.
हाँ
Debit the
ये
receiver.
आवा. हाँ but
To Suresh. Debit the
Suresh
receiver.
is
Due to
receiving the
debit.
goods. That's why
Yeah.
we are writing Suresh in debtor and we are doing sales. That's why we are writing sales in creditor na.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, okay.
Once we will cross check our entries till ma'am join.
Okay.
Once you see if ma'am started talking, we'll just stop.
Okay. But Mariam, I didn't got third one,
Girls.
sixth one, 18th and 20th.
Okay, I'm saying that only.
Hmm.
Your first entry will be first entry cash account data 25,000, furniture account data 10,000, machine account data 45,000, to capital account 80,000. Cleared. Second, coming to second, purchase account data 10,000, to cash account 10,000, cash account data 15,000, to Satyanarayan 15,000. We are not sure this will be the entry. Proceed for the next. But I am sure about third entry.
Mariam,
That is
repeat it once
Dilip
again,
account
please.
data 9,000. Purchase account data 10,000, to cash account 10,000, cash account data 15,000, to Satyanarayan 15,000. I think, but I'm not sure. We'll proceed for the next entry. That is, but I'm sure about this entry. Dilip account data 9,000, cash account data 18,000, to sales account 27,000.
Dilip account 9,000,
100%.
cash account
18,000, to sales account 27,000. And next will be bank account data to cash account.
to cash account, being cash deposited in bank.
Yeah. Need not to write the narration because we are just doing for the ledger.
Bank to cash.
Bank to cash account, that to 10,000. Next will be Satyanarayan account data 14,500. Discount allowed 500, to cash account 15,000. Next will
One
be
second, we say 18th one, please. 18th and 1 second.
Satyanarayan account data 14,500. Discount allowed.
One second, Satyanarayan.
Discount allowed data 500, to cash account 15,000.
Mariam, which problem you are doing?
13th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think so. Yesterday we have completed completely the 11th one, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I think so. Up to the
11th, 28th, and 31th entry we are
11th,
not getting
28th, and 30th are left, which we are having doubts.
1 minute.
Yes.
Which one? 11th?
11th, 28th, and 31.
The 2 I left. So I asked you to do means you are asking me only again.
No, ma'am, that
No,
we were
ma'am, it is very confusing. That's why we are asking you.
28th one.
Yes.
I have to write in 28, ma'am. 2 entries.
We have done, ma'am. Whether it is correct or not, we don't know.
Salary is 6,000 and prepaid insurance is 400. So for that, 2 entries you have to write. 1 entry you have to write for the salaries, another one you have to write for the insurance.
Yes.
Salary account to outstanding
Provide
salary.
means outstanding is also paid. Provide means outstanding is also paid.
Paid how, ma? Outstanding means they have to pay.
But here it is provide he is giving, no? So we need to credit only, no debit.
No.
Okay.
Ma'am, insurance entry, insurance account data to prepaid insurance account.
Prepaid insurance account data to insurance account.
Okay, ma'am.
And what about the 31st one? Goods costing rupees 900 given as charity. Goods costing rupees 2,500 distributed as samples, and rupees 800 distributed among employees.
Charity account data, advertisement account data, donation account data to purchase account.
Good. Correct.
Last third one, dash account data.
Yes.
Charity, advertisement, and
donation.
Distributed among employees means
Yeah,
we
why
need to
the
write
question
bonus.
Why you will write the bonus? You can write directly employees also, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, employees. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have done.
Ma'am, please repeat 28th.
Shall we do the 12th one or 13th one first?
13th, ma'am.
13th?
13th. Yeah, because we did it.
I asked you to do
13th,
the
ma'am.
bike and let it here. So coming to 13th one, I'll tell the answer. You check whether one's correct or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Coming to 13th one, commence business furniture machinery they have given. The entry will be cash account data, furniture account data, machinery account data to capital account.
Yes.
Coming to 3rd January, purchase goods for cash for rupees 10,000 and on credit from Satyanarayan worth rupees 15,000. So the entry will be purchase account data to cash account to Satyanarayan account. The next
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming.
Yeah, it's very low.
Ma'am, once again repeat second entry.
Purchase to cash to Satyanarayan.
Purchase account data to cash account data to Satyanarayan.
మాట్లాడండి మీరు మాట్లాడక తీసుకుంటాం మళ్ళీ చేసిన కాల్స్ అడ్డెట్ ఉంది మనకి 3 times కాల్ చేసింది కదా అట్లా అని సో మాట్లాడండి కదా మాట్లాడండి yes ma'am.
Second one, ma'am.
Second entry.
1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Second entry, purchase account data to cash account to Satyanarayan account.
Okay, ma'am.
Purchase account
Yes,
20, cash account 10,000, Satyanarayan account 15,000.
Okay.
Then
Ma'am, we can't write the compound entry, no, ma'am, because in first it is cash is crediting and in second cash is debiting, no?
Crediting, why debiting? It's
Purchase
not
account data to cash account.
We are purchasing the goods. Totally, we are purchasing goods 25,000, right?
Yes.
So 25,000, they are paying only cash 10,000. Remaining 15,000 is on credit basis.
Yes, on credit from Satyanarayan. Read that question, Mariam.
On credit. So
What is the entry, ma'am?
Yes.
Purchase account data 25,000 to cash account 10,000 to Satyanarayan 15,000.
Right. Yes. Okay. The next coming to January, the entry will be Dilip account data, cash account data to sales account.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then deposit in the bank, entry will be bank cash account. The next they have given that cash paid to Satyanarayana, discount allowed. Cash paid, we are cash is going, right? So
Yes.
Satyanarayana account data to discount account.
Once again, ma'am, Satyanarayan account data to
Cash account to discount account.
Acha.
Okay. Discount allowed data.
Listen. He is allowing discount to us. So what we are doing, we are receiving. Satyanarayan allowed a discount to us. We are receiving the discount. So the entry will be Satyanarayan account data to cash account to discount received account.
Amount will be 14,500. Then
Listen.
Once again repeat, ma'am.
Satyanarayan account, the amount will be 15,000. Cash account 14,500. Discount 500.
Okay.
How we are calculating this? As you can see here, third transaction we have given that purchase 15,000, right? So Satyanarayan we have to pay 15,000. Out of 15,000, we are paying only 14,500. Remaining 500 is discount.
Yes.
The next is cash received from Dilip.
Dilip account data.
Cash account data, discount allowed
Dilip account
to Dilip account.
No, here also, as you can see here, fifth transaction. Sold goods to Dilip on credit 9,000. Actually, from the Dilip, we have to receive 9,000, but we are receiving only 8,750. So remaining 250 is discount. Okay. So here the entry will be cash account data, discount allowed account data to Dilip account. cash account 8,750, discount 250, to Dilip account 9,000.
8,750.
Okay. The next received interest.
Cash account data to interest received.
The next is paid by check.
Rent account to
Rent
bank
account
account.
data to bank account.
Bank account.
Salaries.
Salaries to
Salaries
cash.
account
Salaries
data
to
to
cash.
cash account.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now 12th one.
12th one.
In
See,
ledger
that
also.
much time is not
Ledger,
valid.
ma'am.
We have
One
to
Trial
make
balance is
trial
also there.
balance, na, ma'am. In the 13th one.
Only the previous I can't complete the trial balance. I can't complete the 12th problem. I can't complete the ledger. Okay. So anyhow, tomorrow I'll show the 12th problem. Today, what you have to do means 13th one. Anyhow, you have to pass the journal entries, no?
Yes.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
prepare balance out of. From that you prepare the trial balance and ledger accounts. You know the format.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Format and keep ready. Tomorrow I'll show the problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma. The girls from Malakpet, raise your hand. Girls from Malakpet, raise your hand. Quick, girls. Girls from Malakpet. Okay, down your hands. Lower your hands, Malakpet girls. Now, girls from Sharibanda, raise your hand. Girls from Sharibanda.
Ma'am, after becoming co-host, my hand option of hand is missing.
Okay, I'll consider now.
Sarah, go to the participants list and click on your name. Then you'll get the option to raise your hand.
No, option is more, but more
See,
than
it is not there. Mariam, it is it?
This Naushin Fatima, now she is entering the room. What I should say now? Only 1 minute left for the class. Is it clear?
Yes,
Ma'am, I didn't got that 3rd Jan.
3rd Jan. 1 minute. 3rd January, purchase goods for cash. Okay?
Yes.
We are purchasing the goods. So when we are purchasing the goods, the entry will be purchase account, cash account, right?
Yes.
The entry will write as purchase account attached to cash account. In the same line, they have given that and on credit from Satyanarayan. It means that from Satyanarayan also we are purchasing the goods on the credit basis. So when we are purchasing, the entry will be purchase account
Cash
attached.
account.
Why cash will
Yes.
come?
Purchase.
Cash. Credit means what? Udhar pe paise nahi de rahe. We are purchasing
Yes.
on credit basis.
Yes, ma'am.
So the entry will be purchase account attached to Satyanarayan account.
Yes.
Okay. So instead of writing like these two entries as purchase to cash, purchase to Satyanarayan, we are writing the compound entry as purchase account attached to cash account to Satyanarayan account.
Yes.
Okay.
Cleared, ma'am. Now cleared. Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Co-host.
The purchase will be 10,000 and cash will be
Which one you're asking, Mariam?
the 3rd Jan only.
3rd Jan
Purchase
purchase
account
account
data
will be 25,000.
Purchase will be 25.
Yes. And see, actually now I understood this one. 3rd one.
Yeah.
We are adding cash and also we are borrowing money and we are mixing that money and we are buying with, we are purchasing goods.
Yes. Purchase
Listen,
account
Mariam.
data 25,000 to cash account 10,000 and
10,000.
to Satyanarayan 15,000।
15,000.
अभी
मरियम
मैम
लिसन,
एक्सप्लेन करे तो समझ में आया मेरे को। मैं क्या कर रही हूँ थी गलती, मैं यहाँ पर सेकेंड वाली एंट्री में कैश ले रही हूँ थी, लेकिन परचेज लेना चाहिए ना, तो दैट्स द रीजन आई वाज कंफ्यूज। अभी मैम एक्सप्लेन करे तो।
मरियम,
जी अजीबा।
मरियम सारा लिसन.
जी अजीबा बोलिए बोलिए।
13th problem, 5th entry, repeat.
Fifth one, Dilip account data 9,000, cash account data 18,000, to sales account 27,000.
Cash account is also there.
18.
अच्छा, 18,000.
18 for cash, no?
To Dilip account.
To sales account.
देखो, Dilip account to sales account.
अदीबा पहले आप एंट्री समझो, सुनो मेरी बात।
समझ
सेल्स
रही हूँ, बता रहा हूँ.
सोल्ड goods to Dilip. To Dilip, debit the receiver, credit the giver. So he is
Giver.
Dilip is receiver. Debit the receiver. We need to
Receiving.
debit the Dilip. Then
Hmm.
debit how much on credit? 9,000. So we need to debit the Dilip. So Dilip account data 9,000. That's it. Then for cash means ये दिलीप को छोड़ दो अब। सोल्ड गुड्स टू दिलीप फॉर कैश, ऐसी एंट्री पढ़ो। सोल्ड गुड्स टू दिलीप फॉर कैश, सो द एंट्री विल बी सोल्ड गुड्स। सोल्ड गुड्स मींस गुड्स बेचे तो कैश आ रहा,
जा रहा अपने
डेबिट
पास
व्हाट
से
कम्स
कुछ.
इन, सो कैश
आ
वी
रहा.
नीड टू डेबिट द कैश। कैश अकाउंट डेटार 18,000। देन क्या बेचे तो आ रहा, सेल्स करे
And we
तो आ
are
रहा,
doing the sales, that's why we are writing credit. Okay, understood.
so the entry
अच्छा,
will be Dilip account data.
and in 11th problem,
हाँ
28 and 31th entry, please tell.
प्रोवाइड फॉर आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरीज, अभी देना है, नहीं दिए। आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरीज, वी नीड टू क्रेडिट आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरीज। सो
Credit the outstanding salary.
हाँ सैलरी पे
Then
करे तो सैलरी अकाउंट डेटा टू आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरीज अकाउंट। आई थिंक आई एम राइट।
अरे नहीं, here it is a compound entry na, Mariam.
No, there is no compound entry. Mariam is right.
Prepaid insurance account to insurance account will be the next entry. So in first
So
entry, how is
salary
it the
account, देखो, listen to me. Salary account data to outstanding salary,
हाँ
and then insurance account, नहीं, prepaid insurance account data to insurance account.
yeah correct.
Okay.
No, I
And
didn't
repeat the
understand. Once again,
31st entry.
What Sarah?
this 28th वाला.
28 वाला कुछ नहीं है, प्रोवाइड फॉर आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरीज। आउटस्टैंडिंग मतलब देना है, अभी दिए नहीं, मतलब इमीडिएट पेमेंट नहीं कर रहे, तो अभी नहीं गया। ठीक है, सैलरी लेकिन पे तो करना है। कहाँ से करेंगे? सैलरी अकाउंट में से ही पे करेंगे। तो वी नीड टू डेबिट सैलरी अकाउंट, सैलरी अकाउंट डेटा टू आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी अकाउंट।
Okay, salary account data.
प्रीमियम इंश्योरेंस, प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस, प्रीपेड यानी दे दिए,
पहले
दे दिए। हाँ, तो कहाँ से दिए? प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट से दिए। प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट डेटा टू इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट।
insurance account.
हाँ
Means we already were
First entry.
yes,
we were keeping that money safe, and now we are giving that to insurance.
ऑलरेडी वी हैव प्रीपेड, प्रीपेड यानी दे दिए, तो बेनिफिट ही हुआ ना, बिजनेस को दे दिए।
अच्छा,
तो
we
पहले
already
दे
paid
दिए
that.
या प्रीपेड मींस दे दिए, आउटस्टैंडिंग मतलब देना है, अभी दिए नहीं। Just keep your keen observation on ma'am. Is ma'am
Mariam,
or not?
Mariam 31th entry also.
Adiba, you have the option over the hands.
Yeah. Just wait a second. I'll just. Who is the host? Adiba is the host.
Okay,
Adiba.
I will do.
Adiba, lower everyone's hand.
I already did.
Okay.
Listen, 31th entry, 11th problem.
Yeah, goods costing 900. Goods means nothing but purchase. Charity. So charity will be charity account data. It is expense for the business. So charity account data 900. Then samples means advertisement. it is also the expense. So advertisement account data 2,500 and distribution among employees, nothing but expense only, like wages we are paying.
So we have to write
employees account
employees
data.
in debtor.
Yeah, charity account data 900, then advertisement account data 2,500 and employees account data 800. All together will be, I think, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So it will be 22, 5,
4,200.
7,
Yes, 4,200.
4,700.
employee data 2.
हाँ?
टू फिर क्या लिखना? टू क्या लिखना?
टू कैश टू नो
टू कैश लिखे?
नहीं टू परचेज लिखना.
Purchase.
No.
No?
Yes, to purchase charity account data, advertisement account data, employees account data, to purchase account.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, why to repeat whole? Just what to credit we need to say.
परचेज क्यों?
Goods है ना, कैश नहीं जा रहा, goods जा रहे
कैश
हैं.
नहीं जा रहा. हाँ वही.
Business में
गुड्स जा रहे तो गुड्स का तो कोई अकाउंट नहीं है ना.
परचेज लिखते goods.
लेकिन
given as charity बोल रहा ना.
करे उसमें से जा रहे ना गुड्स, तो परचेज अकाउंट लिखते. समझे?
अदीबा, आप चैरिटी के तौर पे पैसे नहीं दिए, कुछ सामान दिए आप बिजनेस में से, वो कुछ भी हो सकता.
800 डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमॉन्ग एम्प्लॉयज, तो कैश दिए होंगे ना?
नहीं, वो भी गुड्स ही दिए, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड भी गुड्स ही दिए.
गुड्स की वैल्यू उतनी थी.
800 वैल्यू थी
लिखे
गुड्स
वैष्णवी
की. हलमन 800 distributed among employees means it is connected to the starting entry, goods costing this distributed for samples, then goods costing 800 distributed among employees. This should be the entry. To confuse us, he has made addition. Now got it?
अच्छा देखो, तुम लगा दिमाग लगाए ना. सुनो, एंड ₹800 डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमॉन्ग एम्प्लॉयज, तो उन्हें ऐसा देना था, एंड ₹800 गुड्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमॉन्ग एम्प्लॉयज.
You are not the instructor to tell her that give like this. Right? So in same case, in 13 question also, he needs to give that sold goods to Dilip on credit 9,000. Then he needs to give in the second entry that sold goods to Dilip for cash 18,000. He has made the same on credit and for cash. Now what you can say in this situation?
कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकते मैं उसको.
Yeah, he searched the ways to confuse us, to eat our mind, but we need to cooperate with him.
सुनो मरियम, repeat the 13th problem, first entry, and
cash account data 25,000, furniture account data 10,000, machinery account data 45,000, to capital account 80,000. मेरे को याद हो जा रही है एंट्रीज.
ये आ गया. मैं तेरे कुछ पूछ रही हूँ, वेट में कुछ जरा सोचने दो. मैं देख रही हूँ.
Yes. 13th question. Repeat 20th entry.
Cash received from Dilip. Okay, the entry will be cash account data 8,750. Then discount allowed data 250 to Dilip account 9,000. In first case, he is allowing discount. In second case, we are allowing discount.
अपन कैश दिलीप से रिसीव कर रहे हैं.
जी नहीं, सोल्ड गुड्स टू दिलीप ऑन क्रेडिट. जी हाँ, अपन दिलीप से रिसीव कर रहे हैं.
अपने पास कैश